I'm rocking my G-Shock, 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 I'm rocking.
What's up, YouTube? Got another review, and this one here is the GLS5600CL-3. This series is a G-Lite series watch, GLS5600 model. The CL stands for cloth because of the cloth band, and let's take a look at this one here. Very cool. I love green watches to begin with, but they did a great job with this cloth band and the adapters. This one here, I call it the military series. It's not military series, but I just like the fact that it's green, so it looks like military issued, but very comfortable, very great watch. Let's go over the design first, and then we'll go into the functions. Not a lot of functions, but it's nice to look at it. So here it is, G-Lite, shock resist. It's got a nice cloth band with a stitched G-Lite patch on the side there. It's got this brushed metal band holders, or cloth holders, I would say. Very nice design there. You have your adapters there for the band, because it slips through them. Very comfortable on the wrist. Nice green color all around. This one you can slip right out through the band like so. The back plate, you can see the model number there. GLS5600CL module 3178. So there you go. The band is long enough, I would say. It's comfortable, fits right, fits very comfortable on the wrist. Not difficult to put this back on. Slip it through the adapters and right through there. And there you have it. Right back on with no problem. Show you guys this puppy on the wrist. My tiny wrists. Oh yeah, very comfortable. Just fits right on. Like so. There you go. Nice little wrist shot of it. So let's go into some of the functions in this watch. Not a lot. It's not solar, it's not atomic. It's a standard quartz watch. But it's still got some cool features on here that you guys might not have noticed. All right, let's go through some of the functions here. You have the modes, your time mode, stopwatch 1, stopwatch 2, timer, alarm. You have, I think, several alarms. Snooze, alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3, alarm 4, signal, snooze, and back to alarm 1, world time, and then home time. There you go. Along with that, you have some other little cool functionality on this watch, which I'll mention now. You have the option to turn on your flash, which means that when the alarm is set, your watch will blink, the light will turn on. Also, at the change of every hour, the display will blink, and I have I'll show you how that looks now. All right, so let's show you how all those functions work. Here at the bottom of the screen of your display, you have the snooze, alarm, signal, mute, and auto illumination on the watch. When those are turned on, those functions are turned on. For example, right now, the signal, the hourly signal is on. So at every hour, you get the chime along with the flash, because the flash is on. Let me show you the flash indicator is on right there. You can see it right here. Right there is your flash indicator. Here's your signal indication there. Okay, so to set the watch, you hold and press the adjust button. All right, there's your second. Reset the seconds to 0. Daylight savings time is off or on. There's the if you want to adjust your time. Here's your hour, your minutes, year, month, date, and that. You also, if you press the light button, you have the option of setting the light for 3 seconds or 5 seconds. So let's do 3 seconds. Small is 3, large is 5. And then you could exit out of the time. You also have this second countdown timer thingamajiggy right in the middle there. You can see it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds. For every 10 seconds, that light's on, fills and empties accordingly. All right. Some other options here is you push and hold the light button. The auto EL turns on and off. You'll see at the bottom there. So automatic illumination. Push and hold to turn it off. Push and hold to turn it on. And the way it works is that when the light is off, if you tilt the watch towards you, the watch will automatically illuminate. That's what the automatic illumination does. Okay. Also, you press the D button. This is button A, B, C, D. If you push and hold the D button, the flash will turn on and off. So hold it. There you go. The flash is off. Push and hold it again. Turn on the flash. There you go. You guys just notice how it indicates that the flash is on. If you push this button without holding it, you could switch between 12-hour format and 24-hour format, depending on what you like. Okay. So there you have it. That's pretty much all the functions of this watch. This again is a GLS5600CL. This model was released in 2017. Retailed at about $110. You can still find it. The price hasn't inflated on this model. I think it's a beautiful watch, the green one. This particular model comes in 5 different colors. It comes in green, black, white, brown, and there's a second black one with the negative display, one with the positive display, and the white face. So $110 for 5 different options. These were intended to be released for like winter sports, snowboarding, that kind of stuff. But I think they did a great job with the design. It reminds me of the Undefeated. If you guys know that watch, this one really resembles that watch. But I give it a thumbs up. I mean, when have I ever give a G-Shock a thumbs down, right? I have to find one, actually. I have to review one that I don't like. That'll be my next challenge. But there you guys have it. GLS5600CL for cloth bands. Very comfortable. Highly recommend it. And until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. This Chavo, this is Chicago, and I'm out. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my super fly. I'm rocking my